What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing something a little bit different. We'll be doing a box break on some UFC cards. I'm going to be getting into collecting UFC cards. Been collecting their t-shirts for a while now, so figured I'd get into the trading cards. So let's get into it. There we have it. We have the Topps UFC Chrome pack of 2019. If you can see that, it's 2019. I'm gonna bust it open. We'll probably save this for last. First card, Santiago. We got a Khabib. He's punching Conor in the face. Mackenzie Dern, another good fighter. And we got an Anthony Smith. First pack's not too bad. Next pack. Got an Ashley Yoder. Oh, this is another good one. Aliquinta. Valentina Shevchenko, another good one. And an Amanda Nunes. Wow. Some great fighters. Dang, another good one. John Jones. Joanna. Oh, this is a good one. Morris Green. Oh, I really like this guy, Ilar Latif. I think that's how you pronounce it. Going through these. Oh, another good one. Rose Namajunas. Oh, wow. Joanna Shevchenko signed card. Official. Oh, wow. That is a good one. Don't know him. And a Jennifer Maya. We got some good pulls, man. We got Marion Renid. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just pulled this one. I'm a huge fan. Stipe Miocic. That is a crazy card right there. We got a Yair Rodriguez, another great card, a huge fan of him. to all the Mexican supporters of UFC. Great fight. Hopefully one day he becomes champion. That'd be nice to see. Be the first Mexican fighter to hold the belt. That'd be awesome to see and witness in my lifetime. Alright. We got a Cesar Ferreira. Jimmy Rivera. Jakar Souza. And a Kelvin Gastelum. Some pretty good cards. I really like this box. And now this is my first box. I have another one coming. Like I said, I really want to get into collecting cards. Everyone's getting into trading cards, and they're either getting into basketball or baseball or hockey. And I mean, I really don't care for those sports. And you know, you get into something that you're interested in, and I'm really interested. I love UFC. Oh, here's another great one. Zabit. Oh man, this is a great one. Another great fighter. I love watching him fight. Oh, Rafael Dos Anjos. Got a Max Holloway card. And an Aspen Ladd. Another great fighter. Then we got the exclusive pack. We're gonna go and open it. See what we get. Ooh. Got another Jennifer Maia. Jermaine Duradamine. Another great fighter. All right, here, this is the one. Yair Rodriguez. And Carl Robertson. So that was my first, I want to say box break. Is that what they call them? It's my first box break. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. I will be doing more of these. I do have some Pokemon cards. If you guys are interested in seeing that, go down, let me know. Leave some comments down below on what you guys would like to see. But for sure, I'm going to be doing more UFC cards because that's what I'm interested in at the moment, as well as doing sneaker reviews and whatnot. So thanks again for watching, guys. I'll catch until next time. Peace.